today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine your account type on Windows 10. So whether you're using an administrator or a local standard account on your Windows computer, this tutorial will show you guys how to identify that. Fairly straightforward and quick. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in CMD. Best match should say Command Prompt right above Desktop App. You want to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on yes, and now you want to type in net, so NET space local group, so local group should be one word, space administrators. So once you have it as it appears on my screen, you want to hit enter. Basically anything underneath administrator here will list all the administrative accounts on your computer. Anything that's not listed under here will not be an administrator account. And you can check to see what your current account is by going over to the Start menu and then left clicking the little person icon right here. And you see just by hovering over it, we can see our account name is John Smith. So just to give you guys an idea of what to look for in case you weren't sure of the names of your computer accounts. And you can always sign out of your account and then just see what you would normally sign into if you automatically load into Windows. So again, you could just log out and then see what your account name is. But pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and I do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.